Good morning, everyone. If you're new here, my name is Stefan, and this is my van, Ganapati, that I work and travel with, and all that good stuff. We're going to the beach today. So, this is kind of a secret beach that I go to, partly because it's kind of in a neighborhood, it doesn't have many signs that say where to go or how to get in there, and hopefully, the tide is not too high up.
Tell me how I'll find my way back to you, back to you. Tell me how.
We are in luck. The tide is pretty low, so I'm gonna go enjoy walking on the beach in the morning and hopefully catch that sunrise, which is supposed to rise pretty soon.
Tell me how I'll find my way back to you, back to you. Tell me how
So I woke up pretty early to come and see the sunrise, and I gotta tell you, I thought I was gonna be the only one that woke up this early to come to the beach. But there's two other people here, and also on the way down the stairs, I've actually seen somebody with his dog come back up, and I guess I'm not the only one that wakes up for the beach. I am the kind of person that actually does go to the beach either early in the morning until like 11 o'clock or for sunset. I don't do very well when during the day, like if it's like really sunny and stuff like that. These birds are going crazy. I hope I don't get pooped on. They keep on circling me. It reminds me of that movie from like back in the day, which I think it's Alfred Hitchcock or something like that, The Birds or something. See that? I think they're a little bit territorial.
Tell me how I'll find my way back to you, back to you. Tell me how I'll find my way back to you, back to you.
I came to see the sunrise, but I think it might be a little bit too overcast for that, so no sunrise for today.
Get herself out of this mess. Looking down from an empty sky. How'd I get so
Still a great place to wake up to, so not complaining. Now that I got my dose of beach, I'm gonna get myself a dose of coffee. So, what do I eat for breakfast? Because I'm fasting, I actually don't eat any breakfast right now. If I do eat breakfast, I'll have oatmeal with berries or any kind of fruits that I have in the van. But my breakfast right now is just black coffee, which means I don't put any sugar or any milk in it. There's a few flies here today. Okay, so that was lunch. My lunch is usually the biggest meal of the day, and in my mind is because I'll have plenty of energy for throughout the day to run around and do the errands that I need to be doing. So I don't eat breakfast. I only have a coffee. Lunch is the biggest meal, and it's usually this everything plate is what I call it, and I've been in love with it. It's basically I throw everything I have in the fridge in a bowl and throw in some avocado, a sunny side up egg sometimes, and spicy sauce. I actually also put I have olive oil which is infused with basil, and if I have spinach or arugula, I'll throw some of that in there. Makes it taste very refreshing actually. And for dinner, I usually have a smaller meal, and 90% of the time, flies are just attacking me right now. 90% of the time, it will be hummus, and I dip either broccoli or celery in it so I can scoop it out with. And if not, I'll have almonds. Flies are all over me today. And that's pretty much it. I don't eat a big dinner, only because I don't want to eat a big meal and then a little bit later just go to sleep, you know. Just in my mind the body's gonna take a little bit of more work to process all that stuff. So that's what I eat in a day, guys. Thank you for coming along on today's video. I want to end it before I get eaten alive by all these flies. If you got something out of it or enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.